Hi guys, so I'm Hoor Mahaveera. I'm here at NABILA for a birthday hair transformation and I'm pretty excited what's going to be the results of my hair.
तो ये फेस फ्रेमिंग है. What we can do is we do this in like golds, like basically here, क्योंकि ये इतना मैं काटूंगी. So all of this is like face framing. और फिर हम इसको थोड़ा डार्क रख सकते हैं ताकि ये ब्लेंड हो रहा.
I was thinking we can mix and match and see what works out.
And then layers में we leave maximum length जो आपकी है, which is quite nice. We leave all of it. You can see all the length is there, but the internal shape is there. We are keeping all the length and removing the internal weight because that will get rid of all the dry ends, because there's a lot of damage from color, etc. And it will also remove the weight so that there is more volume and movement internally. But you can see कि लेंथ पूरी है मगर वेट कम होने की वजह से इधर मूवमेंट ज़्यादा आएगी. आपका जो नेचुरल कलर है वो काफ़ी लाइट है.
I have experimented a lot. I also went black once.
Oh my god.
So I just got my haircut from NABILA herself and I love it and I cannot wait for my hair color to show. You can see I have foils on. So let's go ahead and see.